Lucas, your gravity sensor's doing the Macarena again.
Victor must have started another round of tests. The vortex is gonna open soon. I'm going through. I've got to find Vaughn.
Josie, step away from there.
Josie, this is crazy. Was it crazy when you guys went back in time to rescue me?
Actually, it was. This wormhole is unpredictable and unstable, and no one, including you, should even consider going through until we know more about it.
Well, I've got to do something.
Josie, we'll solve this mystery. But we're going to approach it like real scientists, not like madcap rogue scientists.
Did you just call me a madcap rogue?
Scientist.
Come on! Come on! Hold on! Oh! No!
Okay. Where am I? Where? April 11th, 1977. Wait a minute. I've been here before. This is the day Victor stole the chi ball from me. Coincidence? I don't think so.
Going somewhere?